Hi everyone, I'm Namita Peparaya and welcome to Yoga Nama. In today's session, we are going to work on sun salutations or Surya Namaskar. We are going to do 6 rounds. So join me on the mat. We shall begin. In the starting of the practice, it will be a good idea to have 2 blocks to ensure you can go into safe back bends without pulling your spine too much. Alright, let's begin. Coming to the top of the mat, standing in Tadasana and taking a deep breath in here and letting it all out. One more breath in, finding full expansion in the lungs, and then exhale it all out. Let's begin our practice. To start with, bring your hands in Namaskara and take a deep breath in, out, and here again. This shall be the starting position for all sun salutations. Then inhale, take your hands up, coming to a back bend. Taking a deep breath in and out here as well, just a mild back bend. Then as you exhale, bring your hands down and place your hands onto blocks. If you don't have blocks, you can even place your hands below the knees across the shins. Then inhale, take the right leg back, keeping your hands on the block. We can come into Ashvasanchalan and breathe in here. Then as you exhale, keep the blocks to the side, hands down on the ground, come into plank. Take a breath here, make sure fingers are wide. Then as you exhale, knees down, chest down, chin on the floor. Then inhale, slide up to Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Then exhale, tuck the toes in, lift up into downward facing dog. And then as you inhale, step forward, bringing the right foot between both the hands, placing your palms on the blocks, to come into this variation of Ashvasanchalan. From here, let's exhale, step forward and come into a forward bend here. Taking a deep breath in and out. Then as you inhale, bring your hands up from the sides this time. Look up and exhale, release into Samasthiti. Let's move to the left side. So Namaskara, inhale and exhale here, one complete breath. Then inhale into your back bend. Take a breath in and out here. Then as you exhale, bring the hands from the front, coming into your forward bend. Take a breath here. Now step back with the left leg. Take the blocks with you for Ashvasanchalan. The first round we are going to move through a little bit slowly. So take your breaths in each of these positions, move the blocks out of the way, bring the hands down, your palms down, move into plank. Navel strong, body parallel or almost parallel, torso parallel to the ground. Breathing in. And as you're breathing out, bring the knees down, chest down, chin on the floor. Then inhale, rise up for Cobra. And exhale into downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Now as you exhale, step the left foot forward, grab hold of your blocks, breathing in and out, feeling a nice opening in the hips. Then as you exhale, step forward, use the blocks to find some height underneath your palms as you come into Uttanasana. Let's rise up, taking our hands up from the side. Look up where the thumbs meet in Tadasana. Then exhale, release to Samasthiti. Let's continue now. Ekam. Inhale and exhale. Dve. Urdhva Hasta. Trini. Pada Hasta. Maybe you can bring your palms down to the floor now. Inhale, step the right foot back. Exhale, step the left foot back. Holding the breath, come into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, slide up into Bhujangasana. Exhale into Bhudarasana. Inhale, step the right foot forward, Ashvasanchalan. Exhale, left foot forward.
You can actually bring the back of the hands down to the ground now to release your wrists a little bit. Then inhale, look up, and exhale, release. On the left side, ekam, inhale and exhale, dve. Inhale, arch back. Trini, exhale. Chatvari, inhale, left leg back. Pancha, exhale, plank or Falakasana, shut, hold the breath. Ashtanga Namaskar, Sapta, inhale, Bhujangasana, Ashtau, exhale, Bhudarasana or Adha Mukha Svanasana, inhale, step the left foot forward, Ashvasanchalan, exhale, step the right foot forward, Uttanasana, inhale, look up where the thumbs meet, and exhale, release into Samasthiti. Let's continue moving from here. Now, if you would like, you can move the blocks to the side. Otherwise, you can continue using the blocks throughout the practice. That's totally fine. Third round. Ekam. Inhale and exhale. Dve. Inhale. Trini. Exhale. Chatvari. Inhale. Pancha. Exhale. Shut. Come down. Hold the breath. Sapta. Inhale. Ashtau. Exhale. Nava. Step the right foot forward. Inhale. Dasha. Left foot forward. Exhale. Ekadasha. Rise up. Dvadasha. Samasthiti. Ekam. Inhale and exhale. Dve. Inhale. Trini. Exhale. Chatvari. Left leg back. Pancha. Right leg back. Shut. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shut. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shut. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. We start slowing the sun salutations. Shut. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Making these a little more slower now. Ekam. Deep breath in and out. Last round. Dve. Inhale, arch back. Trini. Exhale, forward bend. Chatvari. Right leg back. Pancha. Left leg back. Shat. Ashtanga Namaskar. Sapta. Look up, rise up, Cobra. Ashtau. Downward facing dog. Nava. Step the right foot forward. Dasha. Left foot forward. Ekadasha. Look up. Dvadasha. Samastiti. Last round, left side. Ekam. Inhale and exhale. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Left leg back. Pancha. Right leg back. Shat. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. Dasha. Step the right foot forward. Ekadasha. Tadasana. Look up. Dvadasha. Samastiti. And we are done with sun salutations. Just take a moment here to take a deep breath in and exhale completely. All right, with this we are done with the sun salutation practice. Hopefully you're a little bit sweaty across the brow by now, or maybe more or less. All of us sweat differently, but being warmed up is important. So now is a good time for you to begin your asana practice, whichever flow you would like to do. There is a lot that you can choose from my Yoganama collection, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you for joining me today.